Think your A/B tests are giving you clean, reliable data? Sorry, they're probably not. Hey, Keith Perhac here, founder of SegMetrics. A/B testing is one of the most powerful tools in your marketing toolkit, when it's done right. But most marketers make the same mistake. They run tests without fully tracking the impact across the entire funnel. Here's what that looks like. You run a headline test on your landing page. Variation B gets 20% more signups. So you declare it the winner. Great, right? Not so fast. 6 weeks later, you realize those leads didn't buy. They weren't quality leads with cash to spend. And now your winning variation is actually costing you money. Most A/B tests only measure surface level metrics, clicks, signups, maybe a short-term purchase, but they don't follow the actual customer journey from click to lifetime revenue. That's why accurate lifetime customer value tracking from SegMetrics is so important. You can run any A/B test and track the results across your entire funnel and customer life cycles. Remember, the only real winner is the one that makes you more money over time. Are your A/B tests measuring what really matters or just what's easy to track? Find out at segmetrics.com.